Hey everyone, it's Luke from Weldpro, and today I'd like to do an unboxing of the MIG 155 GD. So you're probably wondering what the difference was between this MIG 155 and the previous model. In the first MIG 155 version, the GSV, the MIG gun was not easily removed from the machine. One of the greatest new features of the MIG 155 GD is its ability to remove the MIG gun. This will come in handy for a couple different reasons. We'll show you in just a little bit. Before I rabbit trail too much, I'm going to break into this box behind me. I want you to know exactly what comes with the MIG 155 GD when you purchase. As with any Weldpro machine, the first thing you'll find in the box is the owner's manual. These owner's manuals can be very helpful, especially during the setup process, so don't get rid of this. And next we have the MIG 155 GD itself. This is a gorgeous machine, very similar to the old model in appearance, with a couple upgrades. One of the coolest new features of the MIG 155 GD is its ability to run a spool gun. To switch from standard welding mode to spool gun mode, there's now a white switch located just above the drive roll assembly inside the MIG 155. The addition of the removable MIG gun as well as the ability to use a spool gun is absolutely invaluable. We're now talking about a welder that for under $400 can run stick, MIG, Flux Core, TIG, and now aluminum spool gun. And here's the best part, it runs it really well. Weldpro didn't make any sacrifices when designing the 155 GD. We based a lot of our improvements off of customer suggestions and trial and error. The last thing you'll find is a brown cardboard box. This is the accessory box that contains the MIG gun and all of the other components you'll need to get started welding. Located in your accessory box, you'll find a flow meter. This is a heavy-duty brass flow meter that is used for mixed gas or argon when running the 155 with shielding gas. The MIG 155 includes a spool of self-shielded wire. This will help to get you started. Next, we have the Mig Cable and Gun. This is a newly designed model just for the 155 GD. It's heavy duty and I think you're going to like the ergonomics of it. As always, our machines are dual voltage, so yours will come with an adapter that will allow you to go from 240 volts down to 120 volt wall current. Next, there's a double-ended gas hose. This allows you to connect your flow meter to the back of the machine. You'll also find a heavy-duty stinger for stick welding. The springs in these are very strong and they're comfortable to hold for a long period of time. Next, we have the ground clamp. This is a heavy-duty ground clamp that has two terminals and a bonding strap in between them. This will help you get the best current to your workpiece possible. And last but not least, we have a little consumable and accessory bag. This contains extra drive rolls, contact tips, springs, and other things you'll need to get set up with the MIG 155. Hopefully this video has given you a better idea of what comes with the new MIG 155 GD. Now that we've got everything unboxed, take a moment to hit that subscribe button under the video. Here at Weldpro, we're committed to releasing lots of great content to help you. By subscribing to our channel, you'll be notified the minute we release the latest videos. Keep an eye out for part 2 of the MIG 155 GD series, where we show you how to set up this machine, all of its accessories and components. From all of us here at Weldpro, we can't wait to see what you build with your new MIG 155.